Hi, this is Caroline, your barangay captain next door. So, our topic for today is the possibility of a female president for 2028. Ayan. So, what about that? So, malaking possibility na maging babae yung president. Just like with history, alala nyo, si Cory replaces Marcos, and then Arroyo replaces Estrada. So malaking possibility na si Junior Marcos can be replaced by a female president. Ayan. Pero, tingin nyo ba it's okay to be female yung presidente natin? Dahil most likely, puro lalaki. Pero, with globalization, it's women empowerment. And then, napakaano ng ethics ng mga babae in dealing with politics. So, maganda yan. So, most likely, ayan, ba't nga ba babae? Kasi, pansinin nyo, lahat ng involved sa flood control project, mga lalaki. So, to clear things up, possible maging babae. Malaki ang possibility. And next, syempre, ang babae may mother instinct. So, magaling mag-budget yan, guys. Yung mga 500 na Noche Buena, kaya yan. So, ano pang maganda pag babae ang president? Magaling siyang mag-multitask. Multitask. And then also, syempre, nung hindi pa yan, nung dalaga pa yung mga yarn, may instinct sila, magaling sila, yung intuition nila, guys. Napaka lawak. Ayan. So, baka bago pa magkaroon ng bagong issue, nasilip na nila. And then, they can also act or very composure under pressure, di ba? Di ba talaga ang babae, guys? Ayan. In addition to that, ayan, sa Bible, maraming babae na nag-outstand. Like, Ruth, Deborah, tsaka si Esther. Ayan. So, at saka, kung remember nyo, si Queen Elizabeth, ang tagal niyang nag-reign as queen. So, pero, consider din natin yung mga cons. Ayan. So, since babae nga sila, guys, they have the caring nature. So, medyo maliit yung possibility na magpe-penalize sila or maganda yung implementation ng batas. Normally, di ba, magpapatawad yun, no? And then, research shows na mapababae man or lalaki, it can be the same case. Ayan. And then, also, ang mga babae, hindi sila ganun kateki. So, and also, yung mga against drugs, medyo hindi nila yung priority, guys. Alam mo ba kung priority nila? It's social, about family, about health, education, So, yan. Which is, maganda naman din, no? Yun naman talaga compared din sa mga flood control. Nagkaroon lang ng climate change, kaya mas maano ang flood control natin. Kailangan na natin. And then, yun nga lang, as GF, napaka-indecisive, Kung kailangan niya na mag-decide, hindi agad yan magde-decide, no? And then, also, impulsive, pag gusto niyong, mag-shopping. Hindi. Kumbaga, kung may magustuhan siya, baka possible, gawin niya, you know. And then, ano pa, remember sa Bible, ayan, si Eve ang pasaway, ang kumain ng apple. And then, ayan, based sa history, may kudeta din ng mga time ni President Cory. And then, meron ding ano, di ba, EDSA 3 nung kay Gloria, you know. So, ayan. At saka medyo lapitin sa mga gossip, tsaka controversy ang mga babae. And then, they are more of aesthetic, you know. Ayan. So, what naman? So, conclusion natin, guys. Ayan. Actually, it doesn't matter kung anong gender mo. Kung LGBT ka pa, or babae lalaki, you know. What matters is your conviction to lead and to serve for the betterment of the people, Filipino people, you know. So, ayan. Mag-e-end lang naman yung corruption na yan kung magiging transparent. And then, at the same time, apply justice. Ayan. And also, kung magiging innovative ang ating magiging presidente na bago. Ayan. So, of course, kung God-fearing siya, mas okay yun. Iba pa rin si Lord. Ayan. Dahil siya ang mag-judge of all nations. But for me, you know, based na rin kay Lord, wag daw umasa masyado sa human leaders because they can fail you, you know. Ayan. Diba, yung mga ibang leaders, sa una ang galing, pag ano na, wala na, makalimutan na nila yung mga taong bayan. Ayan. So, comment your ideas, guys, about this topic. And then, kung ano pang mga pwede natin i-topic next time. Of course, iba rin yung ating magiging character. For now, I want Coraline. Ayan, kasi may door next sa akin. Ayun lang. Bye. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.